In front of me is Realme 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Security and Privacy. Then click on Device Unlock and hit Screen Lock. Finally, pick one of those login methods. Wait 5 seconds and choose Continue in the pop-up. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. After that, select Cancel or Enable in Turn on Fingerprint Unlock pop-up and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!